Hi, my name's Doug. I'd like to welcome you to another video for channelletter.com. Today I'll be showing you how to install metal channel letters.
Apply tape to the top left of the installation template. Now apply tape to the top end of the template. Use a level to ensure that your installation template is leveled. After you are satisfied that the installation template is level, apply the tape to the rest of the template. Now let's drill the mounting holes. Remove the template. Simply thread the rod into the holes provided in the back of the letter. Apply silicone to the threaded screw rod. Then insert the threaded screw rod into the drill holes. Finish installing the rest of the letters.
We're done.